Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of OPPO F19s smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by OPPO. So now quickly open it up and start unboxing. So here we get the black box. Okay, now open it. Okay, in top we get this a small black box. Okay, let's see what we get inside it. So here we get this SIM ejector pin, keep this aside, reading manuals, and this is the transparent back case. Okay, keep all this thing aside, and guys, here's the font itself. You can see here's the font itself. It is in a glowing gold color. The glowing black color is also available, so you can see. Okay, here is the highlighted feature: 33 watt flash charge, RAM expansion, OPPO glow design, and it has AMOLED display. Okay, so we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So first I put up. So here we get, okay guys, here we get the premium earphone, which is a really good thing. Okay, and this is the USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and this is the 33 watt fast charge. Yes, it has a 33 watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, keep this aside. That's all we get. Now come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Now remove its plastic cover. So here's the font itself. Okay, if we talk about the back material, it is made by mineral glass. You can see the glow design. You can see it has first easy shimmering sand technology. Yes, it has fingerprint resistance. You can see it has fingerprint resistance. Yep, phone looks good. You can see it has with 3D curved body, and if we talk about the thickness, it is only 7.95 mm thick. You can see, and weight is around 175 gram, and it comes with 5000 milliamp hour battery. Yes, the slimmest phone with 5000 milliamp hour battery. Yep, phone looks good. You can see light, a slim phone. The glow design you get in the phone. And if we talk about its physical overview, let's check this out. In top we get nothing. On this side we get the SIM tray and volume up and down key. Okay, now quickly ejected SIM tray. So guys, wait. So you can see this is the really good thing. You can see it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. Keep it inside, and in bottom it has a 3.5 mm headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and main speakers over there. And on this side it has power on off key. And if we talk about the back, here you can see it comes with the triple rear camera, 48 megapixel with f1.7 aperture, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with the depth sensor. And here we get the LED flash, and here's the branding of OPPO over there. And on front it comes with 16 megapixel front camera. You can see in punch hole display. Okay guys, the phone looks good in hand. You can see. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. By the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 662 11nm octa-core processor. It has 6.43 inches full HD plus punch hole AMOLED display. It comes with dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. And if we talk about the internal storage, it comes with 128 6GB internal storage. It has triple rear camera, 48 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 16 megapixel f2.4 aperture front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery which supports 33 watt fast charging. It comes with Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1. And if we talk about the security, it comes with in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the main screen of OPPO F19s, and if we talk about the display, you can see it has 6.43 inches full HD plus AMOLED display. You can see if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Here we get the helpful quick setting, and brightness adjustment is also available. And if we talk about its peak brightness, it is of 800 nits. Yes, it has 800 nits peak brightness over there. You can see. Yep guys, font display looks good. Here you can see. And if we slide from bottom, here we get the app drawer, and here are some apps available. Okay, so now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of, yes, how many storage we get out of 128GB. So here you can see out of 128GB, 18.5GB phone used, you can see. And here you can see the information, which thing is using how much storage. Here you can see images, videos, audios, document, APKs, apps, other and system. You can check the information over there. Okay, so now quickly go to about phone, and here's the device name, OPPO F19s baseband and color version. And if you talk about the ColorOS version 11.1, it is running on ColorOS version 11.1, and the Android version is latest. Yes, it is running on latest Android 11. And if we talk about the Android security update, it is of August 5, 2021. And you can see the processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 66211nm octa-core processor, and here's the RAM. And guys, the good thing is for better multitasking, it has RAM expansion feature. We got the extra 5GB virtual RAM. Yes, for better multitasking, we got the extra 5GB virtual RAM in this phone. And here you can see the device storage 109GB available out of 128GB. If we talk about its UI, you can see the UI running really smooth. Yep, no doubt. Here you can see the UI is running really smooth. And guys, font looks good in hand. Here you can see the font looks really good, very lightweight and slim font. Here you can see. Easy holdable font, here you can see, no doubt. Yep, the font UI is running really smooth. Okay, and now if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with OPPO F19s smartphone in a different lighting condition with different modes. And now if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's quickly check this out. It has in-display fingerprint and face unlock for better security. So now quickly check out the in-display fingerprint performance. So you can see the fingerprint animation pops out. Put the finger and it unlocks the phone. As the animation pops out, put the finger and it unlocks the phone. Yep guys, the in-display fingerprint is really very fast and responsive. You can see a put and it quickly unlock the phone. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, let's check this out. Okay, I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock the phone. Okay, now phone look at me. Okay, look at me and quickly unlock itself. Okay, look. And yes guys, it has really fast and responsive face unlock and is in-display fingerprint performance. A look and it quickly unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO F19s Smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.